Bob has a problem with a 3D CAD model after the last change they did. He needs to call John, who is traveling. John does not understand the problem and asks Bob to show him. So Bob starts a WebViewer session on his PC and sends the link to John. John now can review the 3D CAD model on his smartphone. But he feels that they need to involve Paul as well. So Bob sends Paul an invitation to the session. Paul follows the link on his PC and asks for mouse control in order to investigate the CAD model. Paul finds a solution and adds a 3D annotation to the CAD model for later use. Bob saves the 3DVS file and adds a snapshot to the memo. Real-time collaboration can be so easy, no matter where you are.